going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to add music in Canva. And if you find this guide helpful, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. Start by opening up Canva and then choose the design in which you would like to add music. Once you've opened up the design, you can look onto the sidebar and scroll down to the audio tab. You can then search for the type of audio that you would like to add to the design or choose from the options that are available. Once you click on your desired audio, the song will be automatically added onto the design. If you have more than one page, you can use the timeline controls to trim the music, adjust the volume, or position it onto your video. Once you're done, you can preview to hear how the whole thing sounds all together. And that's how you add music in Canva.